લરલતા ઇંગ્લિશ की सवाई લરલતા इंग्लिश કહેવાય have લરલો તાપ इंग्लिश की सवाई લરલો તાપ इंग्लिश કહેવાય had લીકલ તાપ इंग्लिश की सवाई લીકલ તાપ इंग्लिश કહેવાય right कदम वखल ताप इंग्लिश की सवाई कदम वखल ताप इंग्लिश कહેવાય walk मंडा वहल ताप इंग्लिश की सवाई मंडा वहल ताप इंग्लिश कહેવાય run ज़कवल ताप इंग्लिश की सवाई ज़कवल ताप इंग्लिश कહેવાય learn दास नो वीडियोस लपारा मुंगा लाइक एंड फॉलो कई और दम कमेंट करचो लपारा दमुंगा यूट्यूब चैनल दसरा सब्सक्राइब करची द आगे रुंदे टीचर हिकमत इंग्लिश मनना
Hello, Assalamu alaikum.
वालेकुम अस्सलाम
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can.
How are you?
I am fine.
How is your family?
Family is good.
What is your name?
My name is Ikra Zaid.
Okay, what is your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Yunus.
And in which class do you read?
I read in class 4.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Hikmat.
When were you born?
I was born on 10 January.
Where were you born?
I was born in Peshawar.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one brother.
And how many sisters do you have?
I have 3 sisters.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sport.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is football.
Thank you so much, Ikra, for your golden time.
You are welcome.